back to the Punch video time. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can find out how many days you have lived using Python. So let's get started. Okay, most people know how many years they have lived. I have lived right now 10 years. But even no one knows how many days they have lived. And everybody just keep thinking, how many days have I lived? Well, they don't know. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can find out how many days you have lived using Python in a very simple, easy way. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is from the time import date. There we go. After that, day 1 is equal to date dot today. What this means is that day 1, that means the day, is equal to date dot today. So today's date when this video was published is 18 February 2023. Okay, then after that, day 2. What is day 2? Day 2 is the date. Inside that is going to be your birthday. 2012 to 26. So it is 2012 10 26. So I was born in 2012 of 26. And then if we run it, nothing will happen obviously. Because that will need to print. What I'm going to do is print diff dot days. But what does days do? Nothing. This is actually the variable of day 1 minus day 2. If we create a variable called diff and it is equal to day 1 minus day 2, then after that we can put this diff dot days. And then after that, wow, you have lived this many days. And if we run this, I have basically lived 3,767 days. Wow. I didn't know I'm that old in days. So this is basically how you can find out how many days you have lived using Python. I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe. Till next time, the time is out.